video you're about to watch is gonna blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
I see wizkid now they do well. Beyonce come feature wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch wizkid, you know it. Money. Wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. American artists, accent. You go use diction. All I mean, totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is going on? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best thing in the world. I said, I wish they do world. Why you know if you do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. I don't know they call the feature artist. Imagine say Portable is so big right now that even American artists they with me come America make the feature. So therefore for again what they do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't know jokes. Why is it a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just comes and say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Paul. Even if he said, Bishop, hi, he say, yeah, Paul. Say, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Paul. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Paul. No, my time, no, make it go. Imagine us, I just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother Paul, and it starts to Zazel, Zah. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor, Zazel. Around the go, to there, Zazel, follow, up on Lexi, or you get to my bar, Portable, Bado, baby Chabaye. Because I know your man, I don't know you. She never seen you. Since she done the chill with Sammy Daddy, Pokuli and Kobaki. Let's go. Now my baby don't deserve you. Okay, this joke is for you. Maybe Tabatim Pokayo. Now my baby don't do hold you back, let you back, my baby. Kala, that you, who I can. Who stole that money? Are you happy? And this is for you. Then don't they call my baby? Zekota Zedie. Oh, they don't pursue me. Can I do one more? Make her they go. Okay, they don't pursue me, but I have to quickly do this. Sir, ma, you guys. Don't comment, don't forget the next line. We all. I must tell you the truth. I don't travel around the world, okay? Hi. So, bros, you where they pack my money come. Let's take a picture together. Yeah. Where's the photographer? Yeah. Hold the money. I got share of headline in case I find out. Just love and I go settle this case. I don't know how they pack this thing like. Okay. If you one thing where my guy they talk about airports, I don't travel. And I realize we don't really get airports for Nigeria. But we get a compound where they park. Okay, say it's true, yes. Let me. Abuja Airport. Okay, for you to be happy, Abuja Airport and others. Okay, all the airports, apart from Abuja Airport. Oh yeah, we have airports in Nigeria, but come on the air, just leave the port. Sir, I travel to go America. If you see the way they announce flights, even if you know they go that port, you go enter the flight. You go here. Or attention please, and it comes with echo. All passengers from British Airways to Lagos should please proceed for boarding. People go carry bag. I don't know what they are MM to. First of all, from outside, they don't threaten you. You go for London, if you travel, are you going to Manchester? Please follow me. Let's go. Our airport. If you are not traveling, go back. I will not repeat myself. If you are not traveling, go back now. I can't go back there. Go back with this small bag. Don't go. Go back, Joe. Why you they shout? The annoying part of the way they announce that flight, either the girl know hear English, or the plane, or the airport speaker know they walk. They will come speak one nonsense English, they will make you miss your flight. You call you, intention, please. Intention to do what? What is the intention in life? You go hear all passengers of this airline, the Chisco bus outside, plane don't fool. Now 10-5 I pay. I know they fly with Sheyi Budi and the rest again because they enter business class and they enter economy, mind my business. I know they send anybody. They can't look at you, seat number 1A, they see that economy 62B. They see them economy. Are you there affordable? They call it like this. The annoying part, because of time, that the pilots. Okay, you know, say all the airlines, including Nigeria, till today, you know the everything pilots they talk, but we don't say we go land. Once that plane take off, seat best sign is swap, you just hear boom, boom, boom. All this is open. All this is open. Lagos. All this over forward. So Lagos. All of us are playing could be like this. If you fly Ethiopia Airways, they don't speak English. Wait to the end now. Kubura to Mangari. Kilo Kubura. This is the annoying part. We hear, we'll be landing at about. So you don't know road. Afrobeat has taken over the world. Put your hands together for Afrobeat, ladies and gentlemen. And the time runs because of my time. Sir, do you know what it is for our music to grow to the point that Indians are inviting us? Look at what happened to Rema. Rema went to India to sing our song, not their song. Because all our life, the only Indian song we know is Janima, Janikije, Janima, Matin. At Rema Land Airport, now 2 men wake up, baby, come down. Gotta be somebody, put the man for lockdown. I took it aside. Almost as ASAKE say they call him, and ASAKE call them. Mama, wow. And then I said, you want to come? Very good. So right now we're going to call ASAKE. And when he comes, he's going to sing Yogar, Yogar. If it's ASAKE song, only one year, no song, Yogar. Yogar, Yogar, I'll be on my way, Yogar, Yogar. ASAKE perform Yogar, nobody dance. The only dance is they dance now, this one. Then ASAKE say, if you go back and perform yoga in Mumbai, we'll give you $1 million. As I can hear $1 million, go check out Indian band. Now wait till we hear this. DJ play. Yoga, I'll be on my way. If nobody cares about yoga, yoga. All of them massacre. All of them massacre. All of them massacre. Enemies, I get them too much. It's better to get them surplus. But they fall, do not take off. I do tell let it go. What can fire? What can fire? My lover, my lover. What can fire? What can fire? Stick and us, stick and us. I do that gap. All of them massacre. Thank you so much.
Thank you, KENNYBLAQ.
And that's my time.
Thank you, KENNYBLAQ. Thank you, KENNYBLAQ.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.